Hello, greetings from Booneri. Today's topic is the history of J.R.D. Tata. What is his life story? Watch ahead. J.R.D. Tata, in full, Jahangir Ratanji Dadabhai Tata, was a very famous businessman who was leading the Tata Group of Industries, and he was also an aviation pioneer who created India's first airline. JRD was born on July 29, 1904 in France, Paris. He was born in a wealthy family. His father was Indian, but his mother was French. JRD spent much of his childhood in France, but he also did his education in Japan and England. When he grew up, he had served the French army for a year, which was mandatory back in those days for boys to complete basic education and enroll into the army. After a year of serving into the army, JRD wanted to take up higher studies at the renowned Cambridge University. But his father wanted him to join in their family businesses instead. Hence, JRD returned to India in the year 1925. Within a year, his father had died and JRD took his place as director of the flagship company. Once he took charge of the responsibilities, what achievements did he attain? Watch ahead. At the age of 25, JRD, who was raised in France, moved to India. He surrendered his French citizenship to embrace India as his own country. The first of JRD's big adventures in business was born of his childhood fascination for flying. It was always his childhood dream to be into aviation. He had taken a joyride in an airplane as a 15-year-old and had since then his mind and heart set on it, and so went on to form an aviation company. In 1929, JRD became one of the first Indians to be granted a commercial pilot's license. That was the first for an Indian to get a commercial flying license. In 1932, JRD Tata piloted the first flight in Indian aviation history, boarding from the place Karachi in Pakistan, which was a part of India way back then, to Mumbai. It was not a passenger flight, but an airmail service. In 1938, when JRD Tata took charge as the chairman of the Tata Group of Companies, he was at the time just the age of 34. Among the board of directors, he was the youngest member. In 1946, he rebranded and changed the name of the airlines from Tata Airlines to Air India, which was actually his initiative. Later on, in the year 1953, the government nationalized the airlines, although JRD still retained the position as chairman. Finally, at the age of 87, he stepped down from his position. All this while during his tenure, was it only the aviation industry that he worked for? No, there were many more achievements. Watch ahead. JRD strengthened existing businesses such as steel, power, automobile, pharmaceuticals, financial services, and IT. Under his guidance, several institutions were established to promote scientific endeavors like the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, etc. In medical field is included the Tata Memorial Hospital, which is one of the best hospitals and research center for cancer treatment. In fact, today, even household products are available from Tata. For example, salt, tea, mineral water, etc. are all under the Tata flagship. J.R.D. Tata died on November 29, 1993. Yet his words have left a mark on all of us. He said, "I do not want India to be an economic superpower. I want India to be a happy country."